You're watching the Wellness Hour, leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Today's topic, what you need to know if you're considering any type of cosmetic dentistry. With us, we have the cosmetic dentistry that everyone seems to be talking about because of the results he's getting with his patients. And his patients call him Dr. Dan Morof.
Cosmetics is for everybody. Everybody deserves a wonderful smile. They should get that confidence that comes with that smile, and we can provide that for people. It's not just for the wealthy, it's for everybody who walks.
I mean, do you have men and women? I mean, it's still mostly women?
Of course. No. In fact, it's 50-50 now.
So you're a dentist, of course, yeah, you think that a smile is pretty important.
Randy, a smile is just as important as the person themselves. Well, let me show you a case, Randy.
Okay.
It's Carissa. Carissa could not smile. She was embarrassed about her smile.
Is that what she told you?
She told me that. She said that she didn't want to meet her boyfriend's family because she did not like the way her teeth looked. The next we start to talk about what's possible for Carissa. Now, for Carissa, she was on a limited budget. Okay. And, you know, a lot of people are on limited budgets. We provided Carissa with something called a snap-on smile.
Wow.
This was something that's easily done for her, 2 appointments, low cost, and now look at her. She's gorgeous. Put the before and after side by side. And now she has a beautiful smile. I mean, it's gorgeous, it's comfortable, she's pleased, she's now confident. Let me talk to you about Drew.
Okay.
Drew is a gentleman who...
Pretty nice smile.
Yeah, he's got a good smile, but now take a closer look, Randy. When you look at his smile, you'll see that he's got flatter teeth, that they're all in the same position, and he's not comfortable with that smile. He talks in front of a lot of people, and when you work with Drew, you'd understand he's a dynamic person.
So as you get older, by the way, the teeth just kind of flatten out a little bit?
Yeah, you know, there's wear to these teeth. We use these things on a daily basis. It's a functional piece of artwork in your mouth. Let's talk about where we go from here.
Yeah, what were his options when you look at that?
You know, when we talked with Drew and realized what he was looking for, he wanted to have a more youthful smile. He wanted to have one that was comfortable, and we gave that to him. And this is how we did it. We went in first and we did some diagnostic wax-ups. We did a little bit of Zoom on him. Now, Zoom didn't give him the results that he wanted. He wanted to be more youthful than we could do.
Okay.
So then we went into veneers. And let's talk about his veneers, because his veneers are special. He has skinny veneers. This is a new product that's come out from S&K Dental.
Okay.
Skinny veneers are wafer-thin feldspathic porcelain that are layered in such a way by a ceramicist that you get natural-looking teeth, not big, bulky veneers. Now look at the after, Randy,
it's nice.
And tell me what you see. Is this job?
Well, he looks more sophisticated. There's no doubt about it. I mean, he looked good in the before.
Yeah, but now he's confident. He can go in and speak in a crowd and feel confident about himself.
Is that what they say, by the way? Is that what they say? They say, hey, I feel more confident.
Yeah, that's what Drew told me. That was what he came in for. He wanted to feel like he had the smile and could present himself in public.
I had 18 veneers done, 10 on top and 8 on the bottom, and just made such an incredible smile in such a short period of time. I'm in front of people every day talking to very successful individuals, and the smile is just giving me even more confidence than I had before. Some people may say that would be difficult, but internally it really makes a big difference. The process that we went through at Cherry Hill Dental was relatively simple. They explained what the process would be, and it went right along and went a lot faster than I thought it would be. When you think about the cost of having veneers, it's always kind of a scary thing at front. People always assume that it's so much more expensive than it really is. And the reality is, with different things like Care Credit or payment plans through Care Credit, it's worth every penny. I think the results are amazing. I've never enjoyed a smile like I have today. It is something I've always wanted my whole life.
Let's show you these cases, because Sandy's come all the way from California back to Michigan to get her case done. Now, with Sandy, she's taken good care of her teeth. She's tried to maintain them. However, over time, she's deteriorated. Her smile is definitely not attractive. But Sandy, look at her after she's done. This is an attractive, beautiful woman. Put those side by side and look at the difference on that.
Yeah, she looks younger, by the way.
Yeah, that took 10 years off of her.
And definitely more sophisticated.
Yeah, and Sandy's got confidence. but now she's really confident. So now she looks like $1 million, she feels like $1 million, and she's happy.
You know, our show airs nationwide, and I feel like I've looked at enough of these photos where I feel like I could spot
you know,
these
Randy,
phony dentures.
You shouldn't be able to spot the denture. It should be beautiful. It should be cosmetic. A high-quality tooth should be used in it so that they present like natural teeth. Okay. I've showed you other cases in here, Randy, that have denture teeth.
This is great stuff. We are out of time, but final message. They don't like their teeth, somebody watching this. How much say-so do they have in the end result?
Randy, in my office, we listen to our patients. We want to find out exactly what they're there for so that we can customize each treatment for that patient, specifically to give them the natural desired smile.
Well, thank you for coming on the program. Very interesting.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Randy. I really love being here. I hope I can come out again and show you some other great things.
We'll have you come back. You've been watching the Wellness Hour, leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. For now, I wish you good health.